Hey guys, I'm sorry, but Connor's not here. Wait, he's coming down the stairs. We're here for Tornado featuring Connor Part 2.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
No, we're really doing Part 2, but he wasn't there.
Just kidding.
But he was really there.
I did a trick. I told Christian to do that.
Yeah. Okay, let's start Part 2. I'm gonna film my cousin Connor as a tornado. Oh. I hear the tornado coming. I hear the noise. That's quite monstrous, but it's not the end. Here comes EF3.
No, you mean EF2.
All right, EF2. Sorry. I forgot that we don't start by 1, we start by 0. So we're gonna get it a little bit ready.
That was EF.
No, that was EF1.
Yeah. And it's gonna get huger once it goes.
I mean, EF5 is gonna be
Long.
monstrous.
And long.
Yep. It's gonna be awesome.
Okay, well, make you guys voices.
EF2 coming. And this is not the end of this video.
We're still make this video. We're gonna try.
I know last video I said EF1 coming and I did, but sorry about that. It was just a space problem. So, anyways, we're about ready.